Hey, it's Mark Eitel, host of the Mr. Mortgage Show, and you are listening to The Daily Dose. And today I'm going to make it quick. I just wanted to spend a couple minutes and explain what a REC refinance is. REC, R-E-C, stands for Reduce, Eliminate, and Consolidate, and it's designed to allow you to pull equity out of your property to pay off consumer debt. So think knock out a car payment, pay off the credit cards, the RV, the motorcycles, the jet skis, whatever's filling the garage. And a lot of people went out and purchased some toys during the pandemic, and now we're thinking, wait a minute, I might want to get rid of those payments. What prompted this today was I met a couple who were actually referred by the credit union. These people had gone to the credit union attempting to refinance their car loans. And during the height of all the car craziness, they bought 2 new cars, and they did the sign and drive. They financed the whole thing. Well, guess what? Now car prices have pulled back a little bit, and they're very, very upside down in those loans. And because of that, the credit union was unable to refinance them. They can't sell them either because they owe far more than they're worth. They're really stuck. And these are big car payments. The truck payment is just over $1,000 a month. And the car, I believe, was just under $900 or just under $800. I don't have the notes in front of me, but significant, almost $2,000 a month for the car payments. Not being able to sell them and not being able to refinance the cars kind of left them stuck without options. So they were referred to me, and we're going to use the REC refinance to pull equity out, pay the cars off. We're also going to knock out a couple credit cards, and they have a jet ski. So using the equity to pay down the consumer debt is not ideal, but in this instance, it's really their last option to reduce their monthly expenses because they can't sell their credit cards and they can't sell those cars. They could probably sell the jet ski, but they don't want to. And they're really concerned that the economy is going to pull back, that we're headed for a recession, and they want to hunker down and reduce their monthly payments. And that's where the REC loan is a great tool for it. It allows you to reduce, eliminate, and consolidate debt, and designed specifically to reduce your overall monthly payment. Your mortgage payment will go up because, listen, we're in a rising interest rate environment and we increase the balance. A lot of people use a 30-year fixed rate REC because their desire is for the lowest possible payment. But one cool thing about the product that a lot of people are unaware of is we can write it for a very specific term. You can do a REC refinance for 27 years, for 23, for 25 years. I mean, you can get as specific as you want. And that's ideal for somebody who may be 2 years into a 30-year fixed rate and just doesn't want to extend the term. They want to be paid off. We don't do a lot of it because, as I mentioned, most people are just concerned with lowering those monthly payments. But we do it from time to time, and it's available on all of the REC loans. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to share the ins and outs of a REC loan. And who knows, we may see more of them moving forward as people have racked up a bit of consumer debt and they're concerned and wanting to kind of batten the hatches down as we're moving into some financial uncertainty. But if that's you and you've got some interest in learning more, please reach out. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you. If you found any of this interesting, I'd love for you to listen to the radio show. We're live Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. on iHeart. Just go to the iHeart app and search The Mr. Mortgage Show. Or if you want to find the podcast replays or the radio show replays, check out MrMortgageRadio.com. And lastly, check out the Facebook page. Just go to Facebook and search The Mr. Mortgage Show, and there you'll find a ton of useful data. We post interesting articles and all the data that we use for the Saturday radio show there. Actually, we post just about every day, so you might find something interesting. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. My name is Mark Eitel, host of the Mr. Mortgage Show, and you've been listening to The Daily Dose. We'll talk again tomorrow. Thanks.